Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, POCO X5 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on the smartphone. To do it, you need to open Play Store and find here Cube ACR or any other ACR application. But you need to know that if you have no root access on your device, any ACR application will record sounds only from your microphone, so you will need to enable speaker mode when calling. Okay, so click open, next, grant permissions while leaving the app, hello. Now choose enable app connector, choose download apps, choose Cube ACR, choose use Cube ACR app connector. I am aware of the possible risks. Click OK. Add Cube to auto start. OK. Go back. Okay, go eat. No restrictions. Okay, go eat. No thanks. Go eat. Great. You can pay for Prime, but you can use it without these Prime features, so I think you don't need these Prime features. I don't need, for example. And great, now your calls will be automatically recorded and you can find it in Cube ACR interface. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.